I bought some food coloring, just to make it seem like it's blood. And what I'm gonna do is that, so I'm gonna cough, then I'm gonna ask for water when she goes downstairs to give me water. Then, I'm gonna drink this.
Wavela bonke ukungcola uzowufaka la lento ekuphethe. Ihlola yami phela leni. Yini manje? Yini ngifanele uhleli? Uhleli mfanele. Uhleli baba. Uhleli. Uhleli. What did you eat? What did you eat? Mfanele ngicela ukhulume nami. Udleni? Mfanele ngeke. Udleni mfanele?
He's better and not skinny as fuck and actually has something going for him.
And I think that flipped this switch in me where I was like, okay, fuck you, watch this.
Scave. She DM in the crew, at least I know that she got taste. Scave. She lied about her age and now I think I caught a case. Scave. She DM in the crew, at least I know that she got taste. Scave. She lied about her age and now I think I caught a case. Scave.
What's up? It's your baby face boy, baby boy. Welcome back to another one, baby. Alright, today we're gonna be doing something very spicy. As you guys know, I already prepped my mom once, so I think I'm finna do it again. This time we're about to do something even more extreme. You feel what I'm saying? So, I didn't die the last episode, but I think I'm gonna die this episode. I ain't gonna lie, because today what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be acting like I'm coughing out blood. So I'm gonna act like I'm very sick, and then I'm gonna be coughing out blood. And damn, my mom's probably gonna have a heart attack, but it's for y'all. It's for content, man. We do anything for content. So basically, what I did is I bought some food coloring, just to make it seem like it's blood. And what I'm gonna do is that, so I'm gonna cough, then I'm gonna ask for water when she goes downstairs to give me water. Then, I'm gonna drink this. And when I drink this, I'm just gonna act like I'm coughing, then I'm gonna cough out blood. It's gonna be tough, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we just gotta wait and see what's gonna happen. Right now I'm just waiting for her to come back home. When she comes back home, that's when the prank begins. I'm gonna place the camera somewhere in my room, and then I'm just gonna start coughing until she comes in and asks if I'm okay. And that's when everything just starts. So wish me luck. If I die, I die. If I don't, you'll see the video. Let's go. Alright, so right now, I'm kind of just waiting for my mom to come back and stuff. I was just messaging her right now, and you guys are gonna see the messages here. Let me just wait for it. Yeah, so yeah, that will tell you when she's coming back and how I plan this out. And then right now I'm just gonna hide the camera, and then I'm gonna wait for it to come back, and yeah, then I'm gonna start coughing out blood. I'm gonna be like yeah. But yeah, let's get into the video, baby. Oh, I have a question. What happens if you actually drink this? If I actually swallow Will I die? Oh shit, I can't get it on myself because then that's gonna jump me some. But like, that looks like blood, doesn't it? When it dries up, like, it looks kind of not like blood, but it looks like blood, like, when it's coming out. So she's gonna be shocked, like, if it comes out of my mouth. When I go, yeah. But, I feel like this is a W prank, man. I'm just trying to waste time now, because, like, I don't know what time, like, my mom's gonna be back. I've been waiting. And she's not wanting to tell me the time. But it is what it is. Let me just wait, you know.
Drink coffee.
I mean, no, kids mustn't drink coffee. They must drink tea. They must drink tea. Yeah, y'all didn't see that. I'm gonna end the clip now. This is getting too weird. Alright. So, I'm gonna place the camera up. I'm gonna be in the bed. And like, she's gonna hear me coughing. And then, she's gonna come in, she's gonna be asking if I'm okay. What. Keep coughing. And then I'm gonna ask her to get me like, I don't know, like medicine or something like that, or get me water downstairs or something like that. She's gonna go, I'm gonna drink the food coloring, and then she's gonna come back, and when she like gives me the water or anything, she brings me, and then I'm just gonna cough it out. Cough up all the blood, you feel me? So right now I have to hide the camera, like I have to put all these stuff here just to hide the camera. No, so that she doesn't see when she walks in, because she's gonna walk in through that door. And then yeah, I guess from now on we wait, because apparently she's coming soon. So let's just see. Let me just see if I can hide this. I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's just see. Do this. Yeah. Hold on, gang. Just, yeah. Yes, sir. Alright. Hopefully she doesn't see it. Hopefully she doesn't see the camera. There. I'm gonna be right here. And things is gonna go down, you feel me? Things is gonna go down. But yeah, guys, this is my room. For those of you that don't know. Yeah. And this is my girl. Like, I sleep with her every night. Yeah. Yeah, kind of excited for this prank. Like, I'm just waiting. But I don't know when she's gonna come back, so let's just waste some time, you know? Waste some time. I'm gonna turn the camera on when like I hear my mom coming. So yeah. I guys, sorry that it's kind of dark. My mom likes coming back home late, but I tried turning on this light. Hopefully she doesn't see it. But yeah, guys, so she just got here. She's parking the car right now, and then like Now I'm finna like start the prank. I'm kind of scared, but I'm gonna do it. You know, I'm gonna start coughing. You know, when I hear her coming like up the stairs. So let's do this. She's coming. Bro, why is she taking so long? I don't know why she's taking so long. But anyway, man, let's do this. Alright, new location. This is her room. I'm gonna do it in her room. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Hopefully you guys will be able to see. I bet.
Wavele wabona ukuthi uzowufaka la lento ekuphethe. Ngisho lokho. Ngihlola yami phela lena. Yazi ngihlola yami. Manje ubona ukuthi nje okungcono vele uzoyifaka. Angis. Hey. Hey guys, niyibona ukuthi ngitetebela kanjani mina. Mina kodwa ninganginaki mangigula. Hey. Hayi. Yini manje? Yini ngifanele uhleni? Uhleni fanele. Uhleni baba. Uhleni. Uhleni. Fanele uhleni. Uhleni. Fanele uhleni. Uzokusinki uhleni. Fanele uhleni. Uhleni. Uhleni fanele. Uhleni. Uzomama. Fanele. What did you eat? What did you eat? Uhleni. Fanele uhleni. Come tell the truth. Uhleni. Uhleni. Uhleni fanele. Fanele. Fanele uhleni. Fanele uhleni. Fanele tell the truth, Baba. What did you eat? What did you eat? Fanele. Fanele ucela ukhulume nami. Uhleni. Fanele ngeke. Uhleni fanele. Ya. Uhleni.
Nah, you come here, man. Fish. I'm cool, all in your cool, but it's the coughing blood, wasn't it? It's food color. Ngiyaxolisa ma, ngiyaxolisa.
Ngangithinta.
Ish. Ngiyaxolisa ma.
Fanele uyenzelani kodwa lento oyenzayo?
I'm sorry. Sorry ma.
Fanele uyenzelani lento oyenzayo ngempela?
Ish.
What if mina bengiwa phansi la ngifa?
Ish. But no, but for real, baby, I was actually coughing today. That's why I just thought of this place.
Yeah, Fanele. Hayi, kusho ukuthi wena ufuna ungibulala.
No, man.
Kahle nje ufuna ukungibulala.
It's not true.
Hayi, bafethu, ziyekeni lezi zinto zeni ngoba ngempela ngizofanele.
This is the last time.
Izwa la.
Ish. This is the last time. Please. You jump in. I'm probably gonna be in a lot of trouble for this, but anyway, man, if you guys have watched until the end, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know that every time you see Baby Boy G on the screen, it's about to be crazy. Let me clean up this mess. I've done a lot of damage, guys. This is the last time I pranked my mom. I feel bad now. I shouldn't have done that, right? Let me go make my mom food. Anyway, guys, you'll catch me next time.